Consume this drink in 7 days, helps lose weight quickly and boost your colon health. We are going to share with you a powerful cleaning and fat-burning drink. Just drinking it in 7 days not only helps you lose weight quickly, but also detox your body and boost your colon health. Colon health is one of the most important things that determine whether you can lose weight or not. Our colon can hold up to 8 meals worth of food before digestion finally occurs. This food produces excess mucus that literally stick to the intestinal walls, weighing the intestinal tract down with pounds of decaying fecal matter. When the colon is cleansed, it can remove these toxic waste and kickstart your metabolism, resulting in significant weight loss. Some people claim to have lost up to 20 pounds after the course of a month. The colon cleansing and fat-burning drink that we are going to share with you contains only nutritious ingredients and is easy to prepare. Drinking it in 7 days and you will be surprised by the results. This remedy also helps you get that flat belly and that you have been longing for in no time. Before starting the preparation of this drink, please tell us your age, your current weight, and the weight you want to lose in the comment section of this video. Relying on this information, we will provide you the most effective recipes to help you lose weight quickly. Then click the subscribe button and turn on the beside little notification bell to won't miss our next videos. Start to make this weight loss drink by preparing the first ingredient, carrot. Carrots are low in calories and full of fiber. Eating fiber-rich veggies helps you lose weight as fiber takes longer to digest and keeps the hunger pangs at bay. The fiber in carrots also helps facilitate waste elimination and cleanses the colon. This also helps fight clogged up in your colon, which makes your waist bulging. This recipe needs 1 medium-sized carrot, cut it into small pieces. After that, place the carrot in a blender. Next, we need to combine carrot with cucumber. Cucumber is a low-calorie food. One of the most important things in aiming for weight loss is to limit your calorie intake. Therefore, consuming low-calorie food like cucumber can help to lose weight and manage your weight effectively. You need 1 cucumber for this recipe, then cut it into small pieces. If your cucumber is organic, don't peel it. Cucumber peels contain a lot of nutrients that contribute to a weight loss process. After cutting, add cucumber into the blender along with the carrot. Another important weight loss ingredient of this recipe is apple. Apples are nutrient-dense fruits that aid weight loss, fight cancer, reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes, and boost immunity. Therefore, eating apples not only helps you lose weight but also improves your overall health. Prepare half an hour and cut it into small pieces. Like cucumber, you should not peel the apple for maximum weight loss benefits. After that, add the apple into the blender. Next, cut one celery stalk into the blender. Aside from helping to lose weight, celery promotes heart health and helps lower blood pressure. After that, add some pineapple pieces to improve the taste of this drink. Finally, add 250 ml of water. Turn on the blender and blend all ingredients until the consistency is thick and smooth. Pour this drink into a cup and enjoy. Consume this drink before your meal in a week to drop those annoying pounds of your body and improve your health.